Have you ever missed an online event because you didn't know the time in another
Welcome
country?
to Math Challengers.
Today, we'll learn how to solve exciting time zone problems using simple math and a world time zone map. Before we solve word problems, let's review what we've learned so far about time zone. Read each question carefully. Your task is to find the correct time in each country using Philippine time, which is UTC +8. Remember these important steps. First, identify the country's UTC time zone. Second, compare it with the Philippines. Third, decide whether to add or subtract the time difference. Finally, don't forget to check if the day changes. Time's up. Let's check your answers together. Compare your answers with the correct ones on the screen. If you made a mistake, don't worry. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Now, let's solve a real-life problem. Kai wanted to watch a live online concert from South Korea. The concert started at 8 p.m. in South Korea. Kai lives in the Philippines, but he forgot to check the time difference. When he opened the live stream, the concert had already ended. Let's answer the questions. Question 1. What time was it in the Philippines when the concert started in South Korea? Pause the video and try solving it first. Let's solve one more problem together. Anna is calling from Cairo, Egypt. The clock shows 1 p.m. in Cairo. What time is it in the Philippines when Anna makes the call? Let's answer the guide questions. First, what is the time zone of the Philippines? Correct. UTC +8. Next, what is the time zone of Cairo? That's right. UTC +2.
All right, let's solve this. The time in Cairo is 1 p.m. Remember, Cairo is at UTC +2, while the Philippines is at UTC +8. So, what should we do? First, we find the time difference. 8 minus 2 equals 6 hours. This means Cairo is 6 hours behind the Philippines. To find the time in the Philippines, we add 6 hours to Cairo's time. Let's count forward. 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. So the time in the Philippines is 7 p.m. And that's our final answer.
Let's move on to problem 2. Mark is watching a live show from Chicago, USA. The time in Chicago is 8 a.m. Tuesday. Now, here's the question. What time is it in the Philippines? Let's find out. What is the time zone of the Philippines? Yes, it's +8.
How about Chicago? Chicago is in UTC -6. Now let's solve problem 2 step by step. Chicago is in UTC -6, and the Philippines is in UTC +8. To find their time difference, we count how many time zones are there to reach Philippines, which is in UTC +8. From -6 to +8, there are 14 time zones. It means Chicago is 14 hours behind the Philippine time. So we add 14 hours to 8 a.m. to get Philippine time. That gives us 10 p.m. Since we moved from morning to evening but did not pass midnight, the day is still Tuesday. Therefore, the time in the Philippines is 10 p.m. Tuesday.
Let's solve the problem together. Ben's cousin calls him at 11 p.m. in Guam. We need to find the time in the Philippines. First, let's compare the time zones. The Philippines is UTC +8. Guam is UTC +10. Notice on the number line that Guam is to the right of the Philippines. That means Guam is ahead of the Philippines. Let's move on to the next step. Now, let's find the time difference. From UTC plus 8 to UTC plus 10 is a difference of 2 hours. So Guam is 2 hours ahead of the Philippines. Since we are converting Guam time to Philippine time, we need to subtract 2 hours. Remember this rule. When the given time is from a country that is ahead of the Philippines, subtract the time difference to find Philippine time. Now let's apply that rule. The given time is 11 p.m. in Guam. Subtract 2 hours. 11 p.m. minus 2 hours equals 9 p.m. in the Philippines. Therefore, the correct answer is 9 p.m. Philippine time. It's your turn. Read each problem carefully before solving. First, identify the time zone of the Philippines and the other country. Next, compare their UTC time zones. Then, decide whether you need to add or subtract the time difference. Finally, write your answer in the space provided. Time's up. How did you do? Let's check your answers together. As we solve each problem, compare your work with the correct solution. Before we end our lesson, let's remember the 2 types of time zone problems. Type 1, Philippine time to another country's time. When the given time is in the Philippines and you need to find the time in another country, first, compare the time zones. Next, determine whether the other country is ahead or behind the Philippines. If the country is ahead, add the time difference. If the country is behind, subtract the time difference. Type 2, another country's time to Philippine time. When the given time is in another country and you need to find the time in the Philippines, again, compare the time zones. Then determine whether the other country is ahead or behind the Philippines. If the other country is ahead, subtract the time difference. If the other country is behind, add the time difference. Always remember, whenever you solve a time zone problem, follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1, use the world time zone map. Step 2, compare the UTC time zones. Step 3, add or subtract the correct number of hours. Step 4, check if the date changes to the previous day or the next day. If you remember these 4 steps, you'll be able to solve any world time zone problem with confidence. Let's check. South Korea is UTC plus 9. The Philippines is UTC plus 8. South Korea is 1 hour ahead of the Philippines. Since we're finding the time in the Philippines, we subtract 1 hour. 8 p.m. minus 1 hour equals 7 p.m. So the correct answer is 7 p.m. in the Philippines. Now for question 2. Why did Kai miss the live show? That's right. Kai forgot to check the time difference between South Korea and the Philippines. He should have watched the concert at 7 p.m. Philippine time, not 8 p.m. Always compare time zones before joining an online event. Now it's your turn. Read each problem carefully before solving. Time's up. How did you do? Let's check your answers together.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.